Hey everyone, I just got asked by one of my staff, how do you actually put those little lines around a property from a drone shot to outline where that property is, and how do you get that look? So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how to do it in Photoshop. Okay, so here in Photoshop, I've got this image, and this is the area where the property line is. Now, just to be clear, you gotta work with your realtor and make sure that they agree that that is where the lines are, and make sure that they're putting in something into their disclaimer saying, look, this is approximate, this is for marketing only. For actual site lines and property lines, please refer to the whatever plan that they have to be able to do that. But for illustration purposes, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Just make sure that you work with your realtor on ensuring that this is the proper placement of the lines. All right. To begin, I'm going to select my pen tool by clicking on P. And with your pen tools, there are various types here. I'm just going to select the standard one right now because I'm just going to get a general outline of the spot. I'm going to go Command 1 to get into 100%. And the property line goes from around here to here, roughly around here, down the fence line, and back. Now, obviously, I need to move a couple of these because they're not precise, and talk to your realtor, make sure that you know exactly where those are. I'm going to go over here to my pen tool. Now I'm going to go to my Curvature Pen Tool, okay? And the reason for that is because the Curvature Pen Tool is nice in that it allows you to just grab onto one or more points and just move them slightly. The other thing that you can also do with the Curvature Pen Tool is you can grab anywhere along the line and add a new node and move it in a curve, see? So this road here curves a slight bit, so I'm just gonna make sure that that line curves a slight bit. I'm gonna move this one here, and maybe I just wanna add just the slightest curve to this side over here to match the curve on the road. Once we've got that, the next step is very easy. We just go into our brush and we will select our brush size. I want this brush size to be around 20 points. I want it to be 100% hard. We don't want, unless of course you want it to have a soft line around it. Okay. And next we just choose a color. Right now I'm going to choose red, because that seems to be the most popular. And then all I have to do is now go back to my pen tool, right click on the path that we created, and we're gonna go and do a stroke path. Okay, do you see that there? Stroke path. And that is using our brush. So we've set our brush to being red and the size, and we're gonna go, okay. And then bang, your line is there. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, questions, put them below, and be sure to click on like, subscribe, and click on that little bell to be notified every time we put up new content. And I am happy to announce that our online real estate photography course is now done, and it is ready for you. Just go to www.robmoroto.com and use a coupon code that is in the show notes here to get yourself a nice little discount. All right, see you later.